Over 68,000 people are calling for Bill Clinton's arrest over his alleged electioneering on Super Tuesday, March 1st. There's a petition calling for the arrest of former U.S. President Bill Clinton. The petition alleges that election law violations have been made, and he's gained over 60,000 signatures for this petition. He made appearances at 3 polling precincts in Massachusetts on Super Tuesday, and Massachusetts state officials said he acted legally. The petition says this is a call for immediate arrest of U.S. former President Bill Clinton for clear, knowing, and egregious violation of the campaign laws to swing an election in a significant way. This is what the petition said to Massachusetts Attorney General Maura Healey. The petition adds, it could not be any clearer in the Massachusetts general laws prohibiting campaigning within 150 feet of a polling station. Clinton was not only electioneering within the boundary, photos and videos show him greeting and talking up election workers inside. Under Massachusetts election law, quote, certain activities are prohibited within the polling location and within 150 feet of the polling station, end quote. CNBC says that, quote, a person standing within 150 feet of a polling location, including observers in the polling location, may not hold any campaign sign, hand any person literature intended to influence voters' action at the polls, wear any campaign buttons or identifying signage, solicit a person's vote for or against a candidate or question on the ballot, or distribute stickers. The New York Times said a pool report showed Bill Clinton visiting Boston's West Roxbury neighborhood on Super Tuesday morning. He went inside the polling place with the city's mayor, Martin Walsh, stopped at a bake sale at the entrance, and then shook hands with poll workers. One woman asked for a photo, and Clinton said, as long as we're not violating any election laws, the pool report said. A video clip embedded here in this article I'll leave for you shows Clinton shaking hands with election clerks at Holy Name polling station. Alongside the mayor had some people on Twitter questioning the former president's appearance indoors. Clinton made a separate appearance at a library in Newton, that was another polling station, after greeting supporters outside, which left poll workers were flummoxed. William Galvin, a Massachusetts Secretary of State, told the New York Times, we had to remind everybody what the rules are, that there is no campaigning within 150 feet of the voting booths because people are entitled to their privacy. And it's not just him, but his media entourage as well that were with him that were doing this. Despite no report of the former president explicitly asking voters to support his wife, the online petition alleges he was electioneering within the boundary. Arrests seem a bit silly at this point, said Brad Friedman. He's the host of the Bradcast, a daily radio program on Pacifica Radio and Sputnik, told RT, quote, though a call to investigate and see if in fact he broke any laws or his presence led to voters not being able to cast votes would be appropriate here, I saw some claims that he held up voting for 2 hours at one location. If that's true, it's a concern, but I'm skeptical of that time. Secretary Galvin said his office called ahead to Clinton's next stop in New Bedford to remind those poll workers of the rules, saying, he can go in, but he can't approach voters. We just took an extra precaution of telling them because this is not a usual occurrence. We don't usually get a president doing this. Massachusetts native Bernie Sanders volunteer Angela Grace said Bill Clinton stumped for his wife directly in front of the Buttonwood Park warming house, which served as a polling place, according to the American Herald Tribune. When Clinton did arrive, the Secret Service caravan walked him the whole distance down the road to a crowd packed into the parking lot of the park. Grace told American Herald Tribune, quote, "He completely blocked this poll for a good half hour at least. Mayor Mitchell was instrumental in putting this whole thing on, and he endorsed Hillary right smack in front of the doorway to the voting poll. I'm sick with how much corruption there's going on. I don't know what the answer is, but we're going up against a lot," Grace added. I'll leave a link below for you for this. This is definitely a call for his arrest. I'll leave a link below for you for this.